Question 14 wants us to use a for statement, print 10 random numbers. So we need to use different module than we've used before. In this case, rather than using the turtle module that we've been using the entire time, we need to instead print 10 random. So make sure that you go and you check out the random number generator in the random module in order to be able to get some random numbers. So let's go ahead and do that. We can choose to do kind of anything we want to do here in order to get those 10 random numbers. I'm going to go ahead and just use let's start by importing random. I'm going to go ahead and just use the actual random function, that is random dot random, which, as I know from reading the documentation, is going to return a float. Somewhere between 0.0 and 1.0, meaning that I can get somewhere between 0.0 and all numbers less than 1.0. So it's 0 to 1 exclusive. Inclusive of 0, exclusive is what random.random returns. We'll go ahead and we'll have our function do that every time. So we need to make a for loop, and we need to do it 10 times. So we're going to say for I in range 10 print random dot. That should print us out 10 random numbers between 0 and 1. And there we go. In fact, it did just 10 random numbers, 0 and see what their answer has on it. Instead, they did a rand range between 1 and 200. Obviously, that is also perfectly acceptable. They also set that into a number variable here with num equals the result of that function, also perfectly acceptable.